Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome to our French lesson. I am Pierre and I am very happy to teach you today. Today, we will learn about numbers and how to tell and read time in French. C'est facile, it is easy. Repeat. 6. September. This is number 7. September. Repeat. September. Hewitt. This is number 8. Hewitt. Repeat. Hewitt. Neuf. This is number 9. Neuf. Repeat. Neuf. Dix. This is number 10. Dix. Repeat. Dix. Very good. Let's try again. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Encore une fois. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Magnifique! Now, let's practice. What is number 3? Oui, c'est 3. What is number 7? Exactement, c'est 7. What is number 10? C'est 10. Bravo! Now, we will learn some more numbers. From 11 to 20. Onze. This is number 11. Onze. Repeat. Onze. Douze. This is number 12. Douze. Repeat. Douze. Treize. This is number 13. Treize. Repeat. Treize. Quatorze. This is number 14. Quatorze. Repeat. Quatorze. Quinze. This is number 15. Quinze, quinze. Seize. This is number 16. Seize. Repeat. Seize. Now, for numbers 17, 18, 19, it's a little different. We use the number 10, dix, and add the numbers 7, 8, 9. Dixcept. This is number 17. Dixcept. Repeat. Dixcept. Dixhuit. This is number 18. Dixhuit. Repeat. Dixhuit. Dixneuf. This is number 19. Dixneuf. Repeat. Dixneuf. And number 20 is vingt. This is number 20. Vingt. Repeat. Vingt. Let's say them again. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, 17, 18, 19, 20. Encore une fois. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Practice time. What is number 15? C'est 15. What is number 19? Dix-neuf. Très bien. Now, let's learn about telling time. In French, we say, quelle heure est-il? This means, what time is it? The answer starts with il est, which means it is. For 1 o'clock, we say il est une heure. Notice that heure is feminine, so we use une for 1. Il est une heure. Repeat. Il est une heure. For all other hours, we use the plural form heure. Il est 2 heures. It is 2 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 2 heures. Il est 3 heures. It is 3 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 3 heures. Il est 4 heures. It is 4 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 4 heures. Il est 5 heures. It is 5 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 5 heures. Il est 6 heures. It is 6 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 6 heures. Il est 7 heures. It is 7 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 7 heures. Il est 8 heures. It is 8 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 8 heures. Il est 9 heures. It is 9 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 9 heures. Il est 10 heures. It is 10 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 10 heures. Il est 11 heures. It is 11 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 11 heures. Il est midi. It is 12 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 12 heures. So remember, for 1 o'clock, it's une heure. For all other hours, it's heures. Let's practice. Quelle heure est-il? If it is 5 o'clock, what do you say? Il est 5 heures. Oui. If it is 1 o'clock, what do you say? Il est 1 heure. C'est ça. If it is 10 o'clock, what do you say? Il est 10 heures. Parfait. Now let's add minutes. For minutes past the hour, we say et, which means and. For example, 5 minutes past the hour. Il est 1h05. It is 1 o'clock and 5 minutes. Il est 1h05. Repeat. Il est 1h05. 10 minutes past the hour. Il est 2h10. It is 2 o'clock and 10 minutes. Il est 2h10. Repeat. Il est 2h10. 15 minutes past the hour. Il est 3h15. It is 3 o'clock and 15 minutes. Il est 3h15. Repeat. Il est 3h15. 20 minutes past the hour. Il est 4h20. It is 4 o'clock and 20 minutes. Il est 4h20. Repeat. Il est 4h20. 30 minutes past the hour. This is spécial. We say et demi. Demi means half. Il est 5h30. It is 5:30. Il est 5h30. Repeat. Il est 5h30. Let's practice this. If it is 6:05, what do you say? Il est 6h05. Très bien. If it is 7:10, what do you say? Il est 7h10. Oui. If it is 8:30, what do you say? Il est 8h30. Exactement. Now, for minutes before the next hour, we use the word moins, which means less or minus. For example, 10 minutes to 2. This is 1:50. We say il est 2h moins 10. It is 2 hours minus 10. Il est 2h moins 10. Repeat. Il est 2h moins 10. 20 minutes to 4. This is 3:40. We say il est 4h moins 20. It is 4 hours minus 20. Il est 4h moins 20. Repeat. Il est 4h moins 20. 25 minutes to 6. This is 5:35. We say il est 6h moins 25. It is 6 hours minus 25. Il est 6h moins 25. Repeat. Il est 6h moins 25. 35 minutes to 9. This is 8:25. We say il est 9h moins 35. It is 9 hours minus 35. Il est 9h moins 35. Repeat. Il est 9h moins 35. This can be a little tricky, but we will practice. Let's combine what we learned. What time is it if the clock shows 1:15? Il est 1h15. Très bien. What time is it if the clock shows 2:45? This is 15 minutes to 3. Il est 3h moins 15. Oui. What time is it if the clock shows 10:30? Il est 10h30. Parfait. What time is it if the clock shows 11:50? This is 10 minutes to 12. Il est 12h moins 10. C'est ça. Let's learn some useful phrases for time. Quel âge as-tu? Means, how old are you? The answer is j'ai ans. I am years old. Ans means years. For example, if you are 25 years old, j'ai 25 ans. Repeat. J'ai 25 ans. Let's practice. If you are 18 years old, what do you say? J'ai 18 ans. Très bien. If you are 30 years old, what do you say? We need number 30. 30. Il est 30. J'ai 30 ans. Repeat. J'ai 30 ans. Now let's learn about morning, afternoon, and evening. Le matin means in the morning. L'après-midi means in the afternoon. Le soir means in the evening. So, if it is 8 in the morning, you can say, il est 8 heures du matin. Repeat. Il est 8 heures du matin. If it is 3 in the afternoon, you can say, il est 3 heures de l'après-midi. Repeat. Il est 3 heures de l'après-midi. If it is 9 in the evening, you can say, Il est 9 heures du soir. Repeat. Il est 9 heures du soir. Let's practice these. What is in the morning? Le matin. Oui. What is in the afternoon? L'après-midi? Exactement. What is in the evening? Le soir. Très bien. So, if it's 7 in the morning, it's il est 7 heures du matin. If it's 1 in the afternoon, it's il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. If it's 6 in the evening, it's il est 6 heures du soir. Let's review what we learned today. Numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Telling time. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Il est. It is. 1 heure. 1 o'clock, feminine. Heures. O'clock. Plural for other hours. Et. And for minutes past the hour. Et demi. Half past. Moins. Minus for minutes to the next hour. Le matin. In the morning. L'après-midi. In the afternoon. Le soir. In the evening. Let's do a quick quiz. What time is it? If it is 2 o'clock, il est 2 heures. If it is 4:30, il est 4 heures et demie. If it is 9:15, il est 9h15. If it is 1:50, il est 2 heures moins 10. If it is 7 o'clock in the evening, il est 7 heures du soir. Excellent work today, everyone. You have learned so much. Numbers, how to tell the time, and parts of the day. C'est très bien. Remember to practice these words and phrases. Listen to French music, watch French movies, and try to say the times you see on a clock. Merci beaucoup for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Au revoir et à bientôt. Goodbye and see you soon.